Welcome back to my channel. Let's open Google Chrome and go to download the Windows 10 ISO. Click on the first link from Microsoft. You'll notice there's no direct link to download the ISO file. We'll use a Google Chrome trick to make the download link visible. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open the developer panel. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the panel. Go to More Tools in Network Conditions. At the bottom, you'll see the Network Conditions section. You may need to expand the panel to see it. Uncheck the box that says Use Browser Default. From the drop-down menu, choose Chrome OS, Mac OS, or anything other than Windows. Don't close this panel yet, just refresh the page. You'll now magically see the link to download the Windows 10 ISO appear. Select the edition, then click Confirm. Now you can close the developer panel if you like. Next, choose your PC's language. If you're not sure, check your system language beforehand. In my case, it's English, United States. Click Confirm. Now choose the 64-bit version of Windows, especially if you plan to upgrade to Windows 11 in the future. If you download the 32-bit version, it won't be eligible for an upgrade to Windows 11. Wait for the download to complete. Once the ISO file is downloaded, you're ready to use it. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB using only command prompt in Windows. No additional tools are needed, so let's get started. Plug in a USB drive. In the search bar, type CMD. Right-click and run it as administrator. In command prompt, type diskpart, one word, and press the return key. Next, type list disk. You'll see a list of all the available disks. Make note of your USB drive. In my case, it's 32 GB and listed as disk 1. It's very important to select the correct disk, so double-check before proceeding. Type select disk 1, or whichever number your USB drive is, and press enter. Now type clean and press enter. This will wipe the USB drive. Next, type create partition primary and press enter. This will create a primary partition on the USB drive. Then type select partition 1 and press enter. Now, format the drive. Type format fs equals ntfs label equals boot disk quick. Replace boot disk with any name you prefer. Press Enter to start formatting. Once the format is complete, type Active and press Enter. Now your USB drive is formatted and marked as active and bootable. You can now copy your Windows installation files onto the USB. Once that's done, your bootable USB is ready to use for installing Windows. Insert the USB pen drive. Start your PC. You may need to press one of the F keys, such as F12 or F9, to boot from the USB. Please refer to your PC's user guide for the correct key. Then, press any key when prompted to boot from the USB. Choose your language and other preferences, then click Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it. Choose the version of Windows you want to install. Accept the license terms, then choose Custom Install. Select the unallocated space, click New, and then Apply. Windows will create the necessary partitions automatically. Click Next to begin the installation. Windows will now start installing and reboot several times during the process. After installation, go through the setup, choose your region, keyboard layout, and whether to sign in with a Microsoft or local account. Adjust the rest of the settings according to your preference. Congratulations! You now have a fully working Windows 10 machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.